Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add transition in Instagram Reels. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your Instagram application, and once your Instagram application is opened up, just tap on this plus icon here. Okay, and make sure that you are in your Reels option here. Okay, and now basically for adding the transitions we have to capture like 2 to 3 reels. Okay, so I will tap on this camera option here, and I will basically turn on my flashlight here, and now I will capture these reels. Okay, so I will just capture this first reel from here basically. Okay, and then I will capture the second reel from here. Okay, and now you will tap on next, and then you will basically click on this option here, edit video here. And now to add transition, basically you need to actually tap on this these options here. Okay, these signs here. So let's suppose that if I want to add transition between these two parts here, I will tap on this one, and now here you can see that we have different type of transitions here. Okay, so you can choose the transition that you want basically. So let's suppose if I choose this one here, or maybe I choose this one here. So now you can see, and then you will tap on done, and now if I play this, you will see a transition effect. Here you go. Okay, if I just play it again, you can see the transition. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.